Click the P icon to perform operations, such as creating, storing, calling, and deleting projects. Click on SN to insert a new step sequence. You can also click on PGDN to insert a new step sequence. Click on SIR to modify the number of steps and loops. Long press the icon to release and turn off the loop function. Click on Material to open the material table. Default 5 materials, material names, and parameters can be modified according to requirements. Click on the upper die icon. By default 30 modes are stored, and the mode names and parameters can be freely modified. The same goes for the lower die. Input angle compensation value. Click on the angle icon to view the corresponding depth compensation. Numerical superposition method. Enter 1 and then enter 3. The value is 4. Also supports internal scale numerical compensation. Click on grid circle to insert a large arc band. Click on Manual and then click on Manual Move. Can calibrate and move the positions of each axis. You can also modify some programming parameters. Click on Parameter Setting to enter more parameter setting pages. This page can configure valve groups, switch languages, inch conversion, and switch processing modes. Click on PGDN to access more pages. Can disable axis enable and modify parameters, such as speed, time, and limit for each axis. Click on Navigation to proceed with lead learning.
HARSLE. Save time, money.